Hi guys, it's Mrs. Henry here and I'm going to show you how to make a frog on a log. You will need to gather these resources. First, paint your cardboard roll green. Paint another roll brown. Cut 2 strips from the green card, bending the ends to make the feet. Stick the ends of the legs on with glue. Bend the leg over, as shown in the picture, and stick down. Do the same for the other leg. Now cut a strip from the red paper. Now wrap this strip of paper around a pencil so it curls up. Then glue the loose end on your frog. This will be its tongue. Now add the eyes, draw a mouth, and then finally stick your frog onto your log and you're finished.